kaymade-tech here. All right, so today we'll be looking at pfSense, demonstrating network isolation, why pfSense is crucial for inter-subnet communications. So this happens when we have pfSense not launched, and we do have two subnets. We have virtual machines on two subnets, and they can no longer communicate. So this is very important. So we'll be looking at each two VMs from the two subnets listed here. That's 192.168.56.24 and 192.168.57.24. All right, so let me pull up my machine. So I will use Parrot. I'm going to show you their what's the name IP addresses, and I will also use Ubuntu. Then for other one, I'm going to use my Windows 7, and let's see. Okay, let me use Metasploitable. As you can see from here, I am not launching pfSense. This is pfSense here. It's not been launched. So um, we'll take it up from here once the machines are launched, and we'll be able to find their IP address. All right, so we are back here. So all the VMs are launched, the 4 VMs I mentioned. So let's check the first IP address here. So this is 192.168.56.145, and we can also IP route. So this is the default gateway, 192.168.56.1. So let us pull up Ubuntu. All right, ifconfig. So Ubuntu also is on the same subnet. That's the .56. So this is 192.56.140. And let's take a look at the gateway. The gateway here is 192.168.56.1. So let's ping between these two computers, ping, and that computer is 192. 192.168.56.45. All right, so let's ping 192.168.56.45. So because they're on the same subnet, though the pfSense isn't launched, we're able to communicate. So that's 10 packets, 10 packets received. So let me do it from the from Parrot. So let's ping 192.168.56.140, which is Ubuntu, and we do get response. We're able to ping, though pfSense is not launched. Awesome. Now let's go to the other virtual machines on a different subnet. Let me pull up my Windows up here. Let's go cmd ipconfig. So what we notice here, the IP address is 192.168.57.130, And the default gateway in this situation is 192.168.57.1. If you recall, the default gateway from our other two, the ones on the other subnet, is IP route 192.168.56.1. So this is quite different from Ubuntu. Sorry, from Windows. All right, so this is our metasploitable. Okay, I've not logged in. All right, let's clear this. ifconfig. So what we see here, so this is on the same IP address network with Windows 7 machine. How do we know that? It has a .57. So this is 192.168.57.122. Awesome. So now let's verify the gateway. So the gateway here also is 192.168.57.1. Awesome. So let's communicate between Windows and Metasploitable. So we're gonna ping 192.168.57.130, I believe. Let's go back here quickly to confirm that. All right, 130. And also, I can also ping 192.168.57.122. So you see, I'm able to ping Metasploitable. So let me try and ping Windows from Metasploitable. I'll just hit enter here. And awesome, I am able to ping. Cancel this. So can I communicate between the various subnets? That's it, .57 and .56. So let's put that into action. Remember, pfSense is not yet up. pfSense is not yet up. I'm going to, as you can see it here, let me go into that screen. You can see pfSense is off. As you can see it here, off. Awesome. So let me ping 192.168.56.140. Destination host unreachable. Awesome. So let me do the same thing from that host. So let's go to ping 192.168.57.122. Host unreachable. Also host unreachable. So we have both ways, host unreachable. So this tells us that without pfSense working, being launched, we are not able to communicate. So now I'm going to go to pfSense. So I'm going to leave this running. And once pfSense comes up, you will see it beginning to work. Okay. Let me do this. Let me ping the Windows 7.1, no, 120, 130. Okay, so now I'm going to launch pfSense. This pfSense here. So I'm going to click start. Okay, so pfSense is starting. Now we should begin to see communication. Let's give it a minute. As you can see here, it's beginning to communicate. You see that the destination host unreachable is reducing. Now there's communication. So this what happens when pfSense is launched and the both subnets can now communicate. Okay, let me pull up the other one. As you can see, this is also now communicating. Before you see it unreachable, host unreachable here, but we do now have communication. All right, this will be the end of this video, and thank you for watching. Please look out for our next video. Again, this is kaymade-tech. Bye. And also like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so.